No man, man nah do that. You know see them outside a stand up attack. Is what? What me do?
So you tell them, right?
Uh, yeah, guys, honestly, it did feel weird.
They expect it still.
They're my family, you know. They drop in now, but they still me.
Oh, so I'm still an outsider.
That kind of too strong for use. But read your file to in a city, and you're an expert on making people feel like say, you're really genuine.
Regular civilians, yes. But I didn't expect to get away with that with an agent.
Well, I can understand, say that's why I be cautious.
And I'm not blame you. But you have no reason to be cautious because I have no motive for this.
We can drive and talk.
No. I know you're concerned about them watching us on the camera. But it no matter. Do I like you? Yes. Am I seeking a relationship? No. I just rate you. Is that a crime?
No, it's just that in our profession, we have to just
If you say cautious one more time.
observant. Remember, we're not regular people.
Look, Chris, I'm not trying to make things difficult for you. I just express my respect, just like how I come and make peace with Tonian, and I work with Bubbles and be a part of the team.
You're right, you know. Maybe I may overthink.
Yeah, and most men are used to a woman expressing how she feel.
And I said that, you know, it's just that I have somebody in my life. But me just,
Chris, I know. And I'm not try stir up trouble. You're a cool dude, and I like your energy. I'm gonna apologize for that.
full of that, my true.
Well, if it make you feel better, tell her stay a girl that work like you.
Look like she know already.
Well, just tell her say you like the girl like you.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Like I said, you respect me and you like my energy. Same way, me respect you and I like your energy too.
Good, that's it. Because if you learn to talk the truth and not hide behind pride or fear of what people might say or think.
Really talk, you know. Um, we can leave now.
Sure.
You know where she live? Yeah. I have her address. You want me drop you there? Yeah, cause I don't understand how I not hear from her. And nearly a month now I not hear from my mother. Alright. Come on, come move now. Hello? Marianne? Marianne?
Twenty-one.
You alright?
Yeah. We are there.
What you mean when me I do here? Want me to your phone?
My phone, not my phone.
Yeah, come inside to me or you're gonna invite me inside.
Oh, sorry. May I come? Sorry about that.
Where you going with Maureen?
Nothing, Tony. Why you ask that?
And nearly a month now we not talk.
So wait. If me no call you, you no call me.
Hold on. Calm down. I not blame you. But just I say I not hear from you about a month now. I mean I call you from morning and I not get your phone.
Well, my phone it turn off all morning. And from last week, I'm sick, you know.
You scare me, you know?
Sorry, I never mean it.